Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And my name is Orham. And if you didn't know my name, and this is your first time seeing me doing a grammar video, then please check out the other grammar videos. If your brothers and sisters don't know color, then please watch this video. At the same time. So, if your brother and sister, well, I'm reminding you, if your brother and sisters don't know colors, then you should watch this video. There's a shade sorting and a color sorting. So what we're going to do first is actually the color sorting. We have all the colors here. Oh, what color is this? You can guess if you don't know, but there are only 5 colors: blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So which color is this? If you said blue, you're right. And now, you know what shape is this, right? It's basically the grass we touch, the color of the grass. So I think so this is green. What do you guys think? So I'm putting green. So far, we're doing well. So we all know this is yellow, so we'll put it here. And this color is pretty simple. And it's darker than yellow. It's orange. Then this is triangle, another triangle. Next we're going to do these. Follow the front side probably. So now this is red. Now I'm going to be picking up blue. I think so this is stop. Now we're done sorting the colors. So let's see what we made. Oh wow, we did well. So now our next thing to do is take them out. Now let's look for the 4 sides. And I think so. If many of this is where you're right. Yeah. And most of you know this is I sort. And that's the hope you like to see you soon. Bye bye, and don't forget to like, subscribe.